Are you looking for the best tablet stands? In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the 5 best tablet stands available on the market right now. Whether you need a stand for watching videos, video calls, reading, drawing, cooking, or working more comfortably, there's a great option on this list for you. Before we get started, we've included links to all the products mentioned in this video in the description below. Be sure to check them out to find the latest prices and see which one fits your budget and needs best. Now, let's dive into the top 5 best tablet stands you can buy today. Number 1. Elekpopu Tablet Floor Stand. The Elekpopu floor stand is a versatile holder that can accommodate phones and tablets between 4.7 to 11 inches and weighing less than 1.5 pounds. This stand frees your hands when you're sitting, standing, or lying on a sofa or bed, allowing you to find the perfect angle for watching movies, live streaming, playing games, or reading music scores. It's easy to install and disassemble without the need for tools, and it comes with excellent customer service. The carbon steel and reinforced base ensure a sturdy and long-lasting service life. The height can be adjusted from 27.5 to 55 inches, and the bracket can be rotated 360 degrees. You can also swap the positions of the upper and lower springs to stabilize heavy tablets. What we like: excellent stability and sturdiness. Highly adjustable angles and height. Easy and quick assembly. Secure device holding. Lightweight and portable. What we don't like: may tip at full extension. Possible minor shipping damage. Number 2. UGREEN Tablet Stand Holder for iPad and iPhone. The UGREEN Tablet Stand Holder is a sturdy and durable accessory for tablets and cell phones with a wide compatibility range. It can fit devices from 4 to 11 inches, including iPad, iPhone, and Android smartphones. This portable and foldable stand offers multiple adjustable viewing angles, making it perfect for watching videos, reading, recording, browsing, or FaceTime calls. The premium ABS material ensures durability, while silicone pads protect your device from sliding and scratches. What we like: sturdy build quality. Adjustable viewing angles. Compact and portable design. Stable for multiple devices. Great value for price. What we don't like: limited color choices. Less stable for small devices. Number 3. Lamicall Tablet Pillow Stand. Lamicall Pillow Stand is a versatile tablet stand that provides 6 adjustable angles, making it easy to find the best viewing angle for your device on your bed, sofa, or table. The triangular pillow design allows you to use 2 tablets at the same time, perfect for enjoying a fun time with your friends and family. Made of high-quality materials, this stand is durable and resilient, and the detachable pillowcase makes it easy to clean. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPads, Kindles, e-readers, and smartphones, this stand is perfect for reading, playing games, watching videos, viewing photos, typing, and video recording in bed. Its compact size and lightweight design also make it easy to carry around. What we like: lightweight and sturdy. Comfortable soft fabric. Multiple viewing angles. Stable on lap or bed. Works for tablets and books. What we don't like: grooves could be wider. May not fit bulky cases. Number 4. Laivli Adjustable Stand for Echo Show 15/21. The Laivli Echo Show stand is designed to hold your Echo Show 15 or 21-inch smart display securely. It fits devices from 10 to 17 inches, making it versatile for many tablets. The stand features a 360-degree rotating base and adjustable tilt, so you can easily find the perfect angle for viewing or video calls. Its foldable design makes it portable and easy to move between rooms like the kitchen or office. Made from thick aluminum alloy with a sturdy round base, this stand keeps your device stable and prevents tipping, providing a reliable and convenient way to use your smart display. What we like: sturdy and stable design. Wide range of viewing angles. Swivels and tilts easily. Easy, no assembly setup. Secure fit for Echo Show. What we don't like: not as heavy as expected. Slightly premium price. Number 5. Lamicall Adjustable iPad Stand. The Lamicall Foldable Tablet Stand is designed for convenience and versatility. Its slim, foldable design lets you easily carry it in a bag, making it perfect for travel or on-the-go use. The stand rotates a full 360 degrees, so you can quickly share your screen during meetings or presentations without moving your device. You can also adjust the tilt and height with 2 hinges, helping you find the perfect angle for video calls, streaming, or multitasking. Plus, it fits a wide range of devices, including iPads, iPhones, Kindles, and more, even with cases up to 0.75 inches thick, saving you the hassle of removing your case. What we like: heavy, stable base. Strong, sturdy joints. Fully adjustable angles. Folds flat for travel. Compatible with phones and tablets. What we don't like: maybe stiff at first. Less stable with very large tablets.